Apple snails are herbivorous and primarily feed on a variety of plant materials. Their diet includes 1. Aquatic plants. They consume a range of aquatic vegetation, such as duckweed, water lettuce, and various algae. 2. Decaying organic matter. Apple snails will also eat decomposing plant matter and detritus found in their aquatic environment, which helps in breaking down organic material. 3. Vegetables. In captivity, they can be fed blanched vegetables such as spinach, zucchini, and carrots. 4. Commercial fish food. Some keepers provide specialized snail food or fish flakes that are suitable for their dietary needs. It's important for their health to provide a varied diet and ensure they have access to calcium sources to support their shell growth.
Hit like and follow to my page. Kindly join to my group para mas matuto, mamangha at magkaroon ng maraming kaalaman about sa fishes at sama-sama tayong magustuhan ang pag-aalaga ng isda.